Hello. I have been faced with a 21st century type problem. Basically, you guys know I do so many like clothing reviews and stuff, and I am very thankful, extremely thankful that I am sponsored by YesStyle to review the clothes and stuff for you guys, because you guys always ask me to do some more YesStyle hauls. My goal for today, and it has been my goal for a long time, but today just felt like a good day because it was really sunny and it's gonna be sunset soon. It is currently 4 o'clock. Hey Google, what time is the sun gonna set today?
The sun will set at 5:36 p.m.
Yeah, so we got like an hour and 36 minutes. But that doesn't matter because I have lighting in my room, which is actually really terrible. Anyways, I have no idea where I'm going with this. Basically, my 21st century... No, what is it? 21st century or first world? Oh, okay, there you go. First world problem. This is my first world problem. My closet is so full. Very full, so full that I have a YesStyle package right now that I need to do for a new haul, and I have nowhere to put it. I literally, this is my package, I'm not even able to open it because I have no space to put any of these clothes, so it's kind of just like sitting here unopened right now. Basically, we're gonna be cleaning out my closet today, and we're gonna be doing the KonMari method. I've done this before on my channel, but basically what we're gonna do is take out all of my clothes from my closet, put them all on my bed, try on everything, touch everything, question myself, does this bring me joy? And if not, then it's either gonna go to the Philippines, hand me down to my younger sister or my older sister if they want the clothing, ask my friends if they want it, or donate it, or I will be selling them online so you guys have a chance to buy my clothes, which I most likely might be able to do. Yeah, the majority of my clothes is from YesStyle, obviously, and Garage. Garage is like my favorite store. I know there might be some like from Forever 21 and like Urban Planet or whatever, but like, yeah, mainly from YesStyle. So you guys might even recognize a lot of these clothes that I'm going to be trying on because they are from my like past videos or whatever. But yeah, the sun is gonna set. I literally see, like, look at my room right now, it's so pretty. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. That makes me happy. The sun, like, we barely get any sun these days and it just makes me so sad. But yeah, so stage 1, we're going to be taking out everything from my closet and throwing it on my bed to see how much I really do have. Stage 2, try on everything. I'm going to be trying on everything. And then stage 3, I'm going to be sorting out everything by if I want to keep it or sell online. But yeah, that is my goal for the day, and let's get started. I don't know what that was. My arms are now jelly from doing that. It's a lot. Here is the whole mountain of clothes. Uh-oh, that's a lot. I'll give you myself for reference. I don't know how to show like this whole thing. This is all clothes. Oh my gosh, guys. There's some clothes in there I thought I lost. What the heck? Okay, now I think I have to sort them based off what kind they are. So like pants, and then shorts, tops. I remember the last time I did this, I was like shook at how many clothes I have, but now it's like this is a whole other level of shook. And I did not realize how much clothes I had. Oh, let me show you. That's the top of the pile. There's that, and it goes all the way back here. Do you see this giant? Too many clothes, oh my gosh. Because yeah, you need to look at this.
Well, I can see what it is. Why do you need my face?
Anyways, I need you to take a thumbnail for me.
Why?
Because I need a thumbnail. Okay, come here now, please, babe. Please, thanks. Okay, so I know it kind of doesn't look like it, but I have sorted everything. So over there is like outerwear and jackets, long sleeve shirt type things, crop tops, and just like nice looking tops, I guess you could say. Over here is like sweaters, pants, skirts over there in the corner, and then I have t-shirts, tank tops, dresses, and then shorts. And that is how I categorize all of my stuff. And now I'm tired because that was a lot. But I did that pretty fast, I think, in my opinion. Now, I think I'm going to try on everything and decide if I want it or not. And yeah.
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on them stages. But right now we just dancing in the basement. Right inside the basement. Said it's 4 AM, still with wavy tweaking bases. Learn this shit ourselves on my own time, I made shifts. Shooting for the moon, gon' turn this Honda to a spaceship. Shorty won't fuck with me, I just wanna get some rain and sleep. Shit low free, yeah. Say what I want, then I get what I want. It's too easy, yeah. Baby, you know I'm a G. I gotta double them C's. She wanna put it on me. Used to sit inside my room, living through some interviews. Took my ass up out of school, I knew I had to make some moves. Got that pressure on me, turn anxiety to diamonds. Demons make it hard to close my eyelids. Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on them stages. But right now we just dancing in the basement. Fuck that, when I get that paper, I'm gon' keep a strap. Fuck you, I can't let nobody go and take my stacks. Bitch, you suspect, you can go and somebody nutsack. I can't look back, cause you know I be above that. I like bitches, yeah, that like bitches, yeah. Put a spell on me, ooh, they some wishes, that my baby, that my lady, oh. And she go and drive me to the fucking mall.
Hello, it's actually been like a whole week since I last finished filming the video. It was actually such a journey because it took me days to film that try-on portion. Because first of all, it took me hours to like film it at first, but then when I was almost done, I checked the footage and then I realized it was all out of focus. So I had to refilm everything and it literally took me days, but I did it and it worked out and I turned out great. I already edited everything. I just have to film this last part. But yeah. So basically I just launched my little online shop where I'm going to be selling all my stuff, and I'm going to be using Depop. Depop is just basically this app or this online store where you can sell things, sell clothing or other stuff, and people can buy, or you can buy other people's used stuff. And it's just like an online thrift store and it's really cool. I've used it in the past, and that's where I will be selling all my stuff. First off, I just have to say I'm sorry, but I'm going to be only selling to Canada. People who live in Canada or like have an address in Canada for me to send to. International shipping is very complicated and expensive and it's just really a hassle. So I just offered $5 shipping all throughout Canada, and I think that's pretty reasonable. So I decided to sell them for a cheaper price than you can get online, and I decided to donate all of the money that I will be making from the sales to Sick Kids Hospital. And if you guys don't know, Sick Kids Hospital is basically a hospital in downtown Toronto or like in the Toronto area that treats children. And I've actually stayed there for like a week. When I was 2 years old, I had surgery because I had like an abnormal kidney when I was born, and when I was 2 years old they took care of me, and I just always had like a really special place in my heart for Sick Kids Hospital. And then if you guys know or like followed me on social media, like last year back in August, my younger sister actually stayed there for like a week because she had surgery to fix her scoliosis. I was there like every single day. She was there visiting, even after school and stuff. So the hospital actually has like a deeper meaning to myself and my sisters, and that was like the first place I kind of wanted to donate to. Yeah, and I just think that would help a lot of children in need in my community. And yeah, I just really wanted to donate to St. Kitts Hospital. So yeah, even though we might not even get that much money out of selling all these clothes, I think to me, as long as it's something, you know. In the future, obviously I would love to do more charity type stuff, fundraisers and stuff like that, but for now we're just gonna start off kind of slow by selling all of this clothes. So definitely go guys, check out my Depop account. My Depop account will be in the description below. So download the Depop app at the App Store or wherever, and then search up my username here. But yeah, I'm really excited for this, and I really hope you guys would enjoy my clothes. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, or it inspired you to maybe look through your own closet and like see what you guys want or don't want, donate your clothes, give away to like your younger siblings, family members. This is a nice experience, and I 10 out of 10 will have to obviously do again in the future. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Make sure to buy my clothes for the kids.